Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get my SQL server, right? My SQL server name, alright, or if you want to call it MYSQL server, if you may, right? So I'm just going to show you exactly how to get the MYSQL server name, right? That's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video, so make sure you pay close attention and also watch this video to the end, because that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to come over to your browser, and then you're going to come over to your search on your computer, and then you're going to search for XAMPP control panel, right? Usually if you have it installed, right, usually you should have it installed, it should be easier for you. If you don't have the XAMPP control panel installed, right, it's actually very simple. Just go over to your browser and then type in XAMPP. Right, once you type in XAMPP, you come right here and then you click on it, XAMPP installer. It is very important to be able to actually know your MySQL server name. Right, so you just come here and then you install the one for your device. If you're using a Windows, if you're using an iOS, right, an OS, if you're using Linux, you can also download the one for you versus you just install the, and it's a very easy and simple process. But if I come here and open mine right here, as you can see, so if I come here and open mine right here, as you can see, so you will notice something very interesting. You can see the MySQL here. You can also see other ones like Apache and all of that. So if I come here and then click on start for the MySQL, and then also the start for this one right here, so that's what I'm basically going to do. And then once I've done that, the next thing I want to do is I'm just going to open a new tab on my device. Right, let me come here, and then you're going to paste in something like this. Right, so you're going to paste in this local/host, php myadmin together. Right, do it that way. Right, you can also type in the http semicolon / localhost / php myadmin. Right, click on enter. Right, it's super simple. Right, it's very important you do this, right, if you want to successfully find out or get the name of your MySQL server name. All right, so it just opened right here. The very fact that it opens, this what this means is that this is actually our server name, right? Localhost is our server name. So localhost right now is actually our server name, right? So basically that's it. If this actually opens, when you turn this on, I turn this on right here, and because I turn this on right here, right, and this is my local host, right, this is my local host, and I put it with this my php myadmin, right, and it opens, so it means this is actually my local host, right? So basically that's actually how it works, right? So if you're using your XAMPP, if you're using XAMPP right here, and you'll be looking for your local host, your server name, and you'll be looking for your server name, this is exactly the server name. All right, so basically this is actually how I got mine, and this is the server name that I use. Right, so do well to like this video if you got any value from it, and if you find out your server name, right, basically this is my server name, right, and the reason is because this actually opened when I added this right here. All right, so this is basically it. I know other people use other kinds of control panel, right? People use different control panel other than XAMPP, right? So all you need to do, if you're using other types of control panel, right, you're just going to tell ChatGPT the exact control panel you use, right? Just type in ChatGPT on a new tab, tell it the exact control panel, and you want to figure out exactly what your server name is. All right, your MySQL server name, you want to figure it out, right? And you tell him the control panel you're using. For me, I'm using XAMPP, right? So because I'm using XAMPP, my server name is actually localhost. So if you're using a different control panel, tell ChatGPT to tell you what your server name is, your MySQL server name, and it's going to give it to you. Right, so basically that's also another way of doing it, right? And I hope I've given you value in this video. Do well to like this video if you got any value from this simple brief video, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.